The paths we tread are often worn by the feet of those who walked before us. You've been taught to follow, to mimic the financial footsteps of your parents, your friends, perhaps even the societal norms that whisper, "This is the way." But pause for a moment, will you? Ask yourself, are these guides leading you to the treasure you seek? Or are they but shadows casting you further into financial obscurity? Imagine, if you will, a world where your financial mentor is none other than Warren Buffett and your confidant in wealth is Bill Gates. A lofty dream, perhaps. Yet it underscores a vital truth. The advice of those around us, while well-intentioned, may not always be the beacon we need to navigate the murky waters of wealth and success. Enter Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker, a tome that dares to challenge the financial dogmas we've so blindly embraced. Today, I invite you on a journey, not of mere speculation, but of transformation. We will explore 5 principles that shatter the glass ceiling of financial mediocrity. Principles that promise not just to change how you view wealth, but how you achieve it. Pay attention, for what follows is not for the faint of heart. It is for you, the seeker of truth, the dreamer of dreams, the architect of your own destiny. Let us begin your daily dose of wealth wisdom. The creator versus the victim. Seize the throne of your financial kingdom. You stand at a crossroads. To one side, a life where wealth is but a whimsy, a stroke of luck as rare as a winning lottery ticket. To the other, a realm where you are the master of your fate, the creator of your wealth. Which path do you choose? The wealthy know this truth. They are the sculptors of their prosperity. They believe with unwavering conviction, I create my life. Contrast this with the belief that life happens to me, a common refrain among those who view wealth as a mountain too steep to climb. Who, then, is more likely to surrender their fate to the chance of a lottery win? The answer is as clear as day. Yet the lottery is but a metaphor for a deeper malaise, the relinquishing of control, the abdication of responsibility for one's financial destiny. Victimhood, the financial plague. Blaming, justifying, complaining. These are the sirens that lure the unwary onto the rocks of financial ruin. They whisper sweet nothings of absolution, seducing you into believing that your financial woes are the doing of others, of circumstances beyond your control. But heed my warning. This path leads only to despair. To break free, you must rebel against these foes. The next time you catch yourself in their grasp, ask, am I a creator or a victim? Remember, the greatest empires were built by those who chose to rise, not by those who chose to blame. The art of shameless self-promotion. The taboo of tooting your own horn. In the hallowed halls of humility, self-promotion is often seen as a vulgar act, a taboo. But let me ask you, is your reticence to shine a light on your achievements keeping you in the shadows of financial mediocrity? The ultra-rich do not shy away from the spotlight. They understand its power. They know that in the theater of success, those who wait in the wings are seldom noticed. It is those who step onto the stage who declare, "Here I am and here is my worth," who capture the audience's adoration and the wealth that comes with it. Mastering the spotlight. Consider this your invitation to the stage. Self-promotion need not be a soliloquy of arrogance, but a testament to your value, a declaration of your worth. Shed the weights of past rejections, of the fear of being perceived as overbearing. Embrace the spotlight, for it is within its radiance that the road to prosperity and acknowledgement unfolds. Stepping into the spotlight is not solely about personal gain. It's a channel to inspire and lead others. The art of self-promotion is, in essence, the skill of sharing your vision in a way that resonates. It's the compelling force that can turn the skeptical into believers, the indifferent into advocates. This transformative power of visibility is not just the key to wealth, but to lasting influence and impact. Yet, the journey to embracing this visibility comes with its challenges. It requires not only confidence, but also vulnerability. To present oneself authentically, to expose one's ambitions and dreams to the scrutinizing eyes of the public demands courage. However, it is within this vulnerability that genuine connection is formed, fostering trust and loyalty. It is such connections that transcend mere transactions. They build legacies. The disparity between the rich and the poor often lies not in the volume of their voice, but in the weight of their words. The affluent understand that their narrative is not just a story to be told, but a legacy to be architected. They know that every opportunity to speak is an opportunity to construct a bridge towards their goals, to influence, to enact change. Thus, understanding the art of self-presentation and communication becomes not a luxury, but a necessity. The wealthy receiver. The reception dilemma. To receive is as much an art as it is to give. Yet many find themselves unable to accept wealth, compliments, even help. Why? Because deep down they do not feel worthy. But consider this: worthiness is not an absolute carved in stone. It is as fluid as the sea, as changeable as the wind. If you find yourself deflecting the gifts life offers, ask, am I not deserving of wealth, of success? The answer, though you may not yet believe it, is a resounding yes. The equilibrium of wealth. Giving and receiving are the yin and yang of prosperity. One cannot exist without the other. To hoard is to stagnate. To give without receiving is to deplete oneself. Find your balance, and in doing so, you will open the floodgates of wealth and abundance. Results over hours. The wealthy work smart, not hard. The time trap. The allure of a steady paycheck is a siren song that has led many to the rocks of financial limitation. It promises safety, but at the cost of your potential. The wealthy know that true prosperity is not measured by hours on the clock, but by the impact of their actions. Ask yourself, do I want to be a cog in the machine, or do I want to build the machine? The answer will determine your financial future. Crafting your golden path. To break free from the time trap, you must shift your focus from hours worked to results achieved. This is the path of the entrepreneur, the innovator, the creator. It is a path fraught with risk, but rich with reward. Believe in your value, in your ability to make a difference. When you do, you will find that the world in turn believes in you and rewards you accordingly. The power of and living without limits, shattering the scarcity illusion. Scarcity is a mirage, a phantom that haunts the minds of the many. It whispers of limits, of ether, of choosing between wealth and happiness. But why should you have to choose? The wealthy see beyond this illusion. They know that the world is abundant, that there is enough for everyone. They live in the realm of and, where wealth and happiness, success and fulfillment are not mutually exclusive, but mutually reinforcing. The alchemy of and. To embrace the power of and is to open the door to infinite possibilities. It is to live in a world where there are no limits, only opportunities. Ask yourself, how can I have both? In the answer, you will find the key to unlocking your true potential. We stand at the threshold of a new era, one where the financial myths that have held us captive are shattered by the truths we have uncovered. This is not the end of our journey, but the beginning. And so, I leave you with this question. Will you be a spectator in the theater of your financial life, or will you seize the lead role? The choice, as always, is yours.